Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the text of your reels in the edits app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to click on this edits app. And after clicking on that, we have to open the reel wherever you want to add the text. For example, I'm going to open this one here. And after that, as you can see now, these all editing modes are here and options are provided here. You have to click on the second option, which is called text. So after clicking on the text, now you have to write whatever you want. For example, I'm going to write hello here. So as you can see now we are done. You can adjust this wherever you want. If you want to increase the size, you can also do that. As you can see, I'm going to click on the text. Let's click on the text, and as you can see now you will get all the options related to the text here. Like you can change the font style, you can change the color, alignments, and all options are provided here. So in this way you can add the text on your reels in the edit shape, and I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.